Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can put your iPhone X in DFU mode. So here we go. So guys, to put this phone in DFU mode, the method is different than the other iPhones, and let me show you that the phone is running on iOS 16 and it's iPhone X. So guys, what you have to do, just press the volume up key and the volume down key and then hold the side button. Keep holding the side button until the screen goes black. When the screen goes black, leave the side button and hold the volume down key and keep holding it until your device is in recovery mode. So guys, it's in recovery mode now. Let me just show you. There you can see. So that's all in this video guys. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.